Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool light ray effect in After Effects. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Create a new solid layer and under Effect Control search for fractal noise. Add it to your layer and change the blending mode to none. Then again in the Effects Control search for CC Light Rays. Then add it to your layer. Add it to your layer and change the blending mode to none. Increase the radius and the warp softness to your liking. Let's position the ray to the center of the workspace and also import our World Cup trophy. Under evolution on our effects control panel, create a keyframe and move the slider on the end of our time frame. Then on the evolution we make it to 3 times 160 degrees. Let's unhide back our World Cup trophy. Move it on the layer panel to the 3-second mark. Move the slider back to our starting point and increase the warp softness to 85. The reason why we are doing this is we are creating a zoom transition to the light. After it, we move back to our trophy layer and elongate it to the 2-second mark. Create a keyframe and we're going to scale it down from this transition. And after it we have this cool animation.